Welcome to Naples Heritage, a low-density private bundled golf community in Naples, Florida. This 18-hole golf course was designed by Gordon Lewis. The course measures 6,489 yards from the longest tees and has a slope rating of 141. The Naples Heritage community is situated on 550 acres with more than 250 acres of preserves. There are 799 homes and condos in Naples Heritage, including single-family detached homes, attached villa homes, veranda-style condos with front and rear lanais and mid-rise condos with common elevators. Amenities include a clubhouse with dining, a fitness center, pickleball courts, tennis courts, several community pools, and bocce ball courts. The community has a guard-gated main entrance on Davis Blvd and an electronic gate at Collier Blvd. Available homes and condos for sale are listed in the video description below. Please contact Southwest Coast Realty in Naples, Florida for more information on Naples Heritage Real Estate. Call 239-229-9926. Thanks for watching.